In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten Google Drive links. By the end, you'll turn a long, messy Drive URL into a clean, shareable link using TinyURL while keeping the right access settings so people can actually open it. First, open Google in your web browser. At the top right, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon. From that panel, choose Drive. If you're not already signed in, sign into your Google account so you can access your files. You can also go directly to drive.google.com if you prefer. Either way gets you to the same place. Inside Google Drive, decide which file or folder you want to share. Hover over it, then click the three dots to open More Actions. Move your mouse to Share, and click it. In the Share window, look for General Access. By default, this often shows as restricted, which means only people you explicitly add can open it. Click that setting and change it to anyone with the link. For most situations, it's best to set the role to viewer so people can see the file without editing it. Double-check you're comfortable sharing this content publicly with anyone who has the link, especially if it contains sensitive information. When you're ready, click Copy Link. You now have a valid Google Drive URL that will work for anyone you share it with. Next, open a new browser tab and search for Shorten URL link. From the results, choose TinyURL. Make sure you're clicking the official tinyurl.com site, and be mindful of ads at the top of the search page that might look similar. On TinyURL, you'll see a field to paste your long link. Click into that box and paste the Google Drive link you just copied. Then select Shorten Link. In a moment, TinyURL will generate a shorter address that points to your original file. Click Copy to grab the new, compact link. That's it. Your Google Drive link is now shortened and ready to share in emails, chats, documents, or anywhere a cleaner URL looks better. The shortened link will redirect to the exact same Drive file with the access you set. So if someone can't open it, revisit the share settings in Drive and confirm it's set to anyone with the link and the correct role. For your own records, consider pasting the short link somewhere you can find it later. You're all set to share a neat, reliable link without the clutter of a long URL.